Hi, this is Newton's Laws quiz by Mike and Zack. You don't need to know our last names. What is gravity? Is it A, a great cavity, B, a downward acceleration negative 9.8 meters per second squared, C, an upward force of 10 meters per second, D, a downward force of 9.8 meters per second, or E, great vitality? Pick your answer now. Question 2. What is Newton's first law? Is it A, don't run in the halls, B, something at rest will remain at rest. Something at rest will remain at rest until a force is acted upon it. C, something in motion will stay in motion until a force acts upon it. D, gravity is constant. E, B plus C. Pick your answer now. What is Newton's second law? Is it A, force equals mass times acceleration, B, force equals mass plus acceleration, C, homework equals boring, D equals E equals mc squared, E, 2x squared plus 3yz equals plus or negative to the square root of 56i squared divided by 268.78. Pick your answer now. Newton's laws continue. What is Newton's third law? Is it A, for every force there is an equal reaction force applied to the original force, B, for every force there is a jet-eye, C, for every force there is a reaction force, D, no force without an object, or E, math is boring? Pick your answer now. The answers to the quiz. 1 was B. 2 was E, which was B plus C. 3 was A. And 4 was A. The crossed out ones are not correct. And this is why. Newton's law is explained. Problem 1. Gravity is a downward acceleration of negative 9.8 meters per second squared. It keeps us on the ground instead of us floating everywhere. It is acting on you right now, unless you are in space, which I doubt. Gravity is critical to all of Newton's laws. Problem 2. An object in motion will stay in motion until acted upon by a force, and an object at rest will stay at rest until acted upon by a force. Examples: a ball would continue to roll if friction was not a factor. I would stay in bed if parents let me. A ball thrown in the air will fall to the ground and stop moving because of gravity. A tree would stand still until the wind blows it. Problem 3. Mass times acceleration equals force. Mass is the amount of molecules in an object times negative 9.8 or gravity equals force of the object. Newton's laws continued. Problem 4. Every time a force is applied to an object, an equal opposite force is applied to the previous force. So if you push a door, the door will push back at you. Just stand out of the way if it does. And that concludes the end. That concludes the quiz. If you forgot everything, you know where to go to find it, aka the internet. That is the conclusion of the quiz.